The curry crisis. What we need to know. The curry industry is facing a crisis, with a nearly £5 billion sector and approximately 100,000 employees in peril. Previous attempts, such as David Cameron's £1.75 million investment in Curry College, did not yield the expected results. Differing opinions exist, particularly from Indian curry houses, mostly owned by Bangladeshis. They attribute the decline in business to the government's reluctance to issue chef visas. However, investigations by authorities revealed that these establishments do not serve curries available either in India or in Bangladesh or even authentic Tamil curry. Applicants for visas often do not prepare or consume the same dishes served in the UK, necessitating training upon arrival. In response, the government established a Curry College, with a £1.75 million investment to train locals, especially those unemployed and on state benefits. Unfortunately, the college had to close due to lack of enrollment. Despite this, representatives from the Restaurant Association persist in blaming the government's visa policies for the industry's predicament. In my blog and book, I advocate for introspection within the industry to accurately identify the challenges. It is crucial to acknowledge the industry's existing turmoil instead of attributing the decline solely to a shortage of chefs. It's an attempt to offer constructive assistance rather than criticism. Firstly, the industry must acknowledge that in today's information age, the public and authorities have easy access to diverse culinary information. Unlike other fast food chains with standardized offerings, curry does not have a universal standard. Birmingham curry differs from Glasgow curry, and the marketed Indian curry in the UK is often unavailable in India or Bangladesh. The confusion is exacerbated by the emergence of new competitors introducing variations such as Japanese curry, Chinese curry, Korean curry and recently Vietnamese curry, further perplexing curry enthusiasts. While the industry laments the lack of chef visas and government support, it fails to address the encroachment of new competitors. The success of Nando's, known for its peri-peri curry sauce, and the popularity of the Japanese chain Wagamama's chicken katsu curry, highlight the appeal of diverse curry options. Understanding the distinctions between pre-chili and post-chili era curries is crucial. Supermarkets selling ready-made curries and media praising their taste over restaurant offerings add to the industry's challenges. The Wagamama chain serves 7 million chicken katsu curry every year and aims to reach 10 million soon. Interestingly, they don't raise concerns about the shortage of chef visas for Japanese chefs. This highlights that the challenges faced by traditional curry house restaurants may not solely be related to the availability of chefs but may lie elsewhere. Differentiating between the pre-chili era Tamil curry, introduced to Bengal by the British, and the post-chili era versions is essential. The industry needs to comprehend why supermarkets offer different curries compared to restaurants. While supermarkets may have room for improvement, understanding these distinctions is paramount. The industry's internal issues must be resolved before sensible requests for government assistance can be made. The government is accountable to Parliament and will act responsibly on logical requests. To navigate this challenge, cooperation within the industry and presenting sensible requests to the government are crucial. Otherwise, the current uncertainty will persist. Joining forces and working together is crucial to save the curry industry from its current crisis. By collaborating and pooling our resources, we can find innovative solutions to overcome the challenges that the industry is facing. It is essential for all stakeholders, including restaurant owners, supermarkets, pub chains that serve curry, chefs, suppliers, and customers, to come together and support each other during these difficult times. Through collective efforts and a shared commitment, we can ensure the survival and success of the curry industry for generations to come. Let us unite and take action to preserve this beloved culinary tradition. Furthermore, it is crucial to acknowledge that Tamil curry, with its authenticity and a rich history of European influence spanning 450 years, continues to thrive among the Tamils in the two traditional habitats and within the diaspora. Exploring this aspect can significantly contribute to gaining the trust of both the public and the government. Simultaneously, I've reached out to David Cameron, the current Foreign Secretary, reminding him of promises made during his tenure as Prime Minister. I've provided him with a copy of my book, hoping for a prompt response. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.